wanna be on camera. No, dude. What's wrong with your brother? What? Ow. Hey, Gucci. Come here, Deuce. Deuce. Come here, boy. Listen. This guy. What you doing? What's up, Gucci? What's up? Come on, Gucci. Also, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Now let's get back into the video. Ivy, move. Foxy. Hey, cut it out. Hey, leave it alone. What else, son? Foxy, move. Move, son. Move. Sit. What I say? Sit down. Don't move. All right, open this up for you. Move. Go, Ivy. She don't want to be back here with y'all, so I thought, so I lock it. No. Ooh, son. Oh, Foxy. Good girl. Ooh, my good. Foxy Brown. No, Foxy. What's up? I didn't even know they tore the bracket. They want that baby open. I might open it up. Ivy. I put a brick down. You can't get back in here, fat ass. Haha. Locked her out, Foxy Brown. This my new Draco. Foxy, sit. Foxy, sit. Good girl. Sit. Come here, man. You hard head back here. Sit down. Tight. Sit down. You be hard head back here, dude. Why you so hard head, huh? Get over here. Sit it down. Yeah, I don't want to play with you. What she done? I knew you was following me, girl. I knew you was following me. This guy, I don't even know what he's trying to do. Get back over here. Tight. Good job. I gotta get back down back here and put all these trees. These branches are getting out of control, baby. It is so many trees back there, but I ain't got to focus on it. Get it back there. What's up? Brown. That's how you feel, big dude. Sit. Come here. Let me show you walk. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Let me show you walk, boy. Sit down. Chill. I'm just gonna lose your chest. You don't never want to chill. What, fuck? What? What's it, man? You want some love? That's all you be wanting. You be wanting some love, bro. That's all you be wanting, girl. That's all you be wanting. You so pretty, bro. What's it? You're a muscle, too. Let me see. I swear the camera don't do these no justice. That's how y'all feel this morning? It's too early for all that, y'all. Early in the morning. Get up here, Ivy. Y'all got a lot of energy this morning. Come on, Gucci. Come on. Come on. Big boy. Goosey is available. Deuces. Yeah, that boy nice too. 6 months right there. Come get him. See, he out there wanting to eat bugs. What's up, dude? What's up with you eating bugs, dude? Come on, man. You gotta chill, my boy. Son, leave it alone. Leave it. You want to eat a queen bee. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Come on, man. Crazy, man. But them are the puppies. your weight up, boy. Good boy. 56. 56. Good boy. Good boy, Deuce. You come back and sit on your own. Well, you like a grown-ass dog. 9 months. 22. That's good for a dog right there. Hey, cut it off. It's too early, bro. Cut it out. I know you sorry with your big boy. Damn, that boy's gonna be huge. That boy gonna be huge.